The Moon is the Earth's only natural satellite and is the fifth largest natural satellite in the solar system. It is also the largest natural satellite relative to the size of the planet it orbits. The Moon is about 1/4 the size of Earth and is approximately 238,855 miles away from Earth. The space between Earth and the Moon could fit 30 planets the size of Earth. The Moon is believed to have formed around 4.5 billion years ago, shortly after the formation of the solar system. It is thought to have formed from debris left over after a Mars-sized body collided with the young Earth. The surface of the Moon is rocky and dusty, with numerous impact craters and mountains. The Moon has no atmosphere and no water, and its surface temperature can range from about -280 degrees Fahrenheit 173 degrees Celsius during the lunar night, to about 250 degrees Fahrenheit 121 degrees Celsius during the lunar day. The Moon's surface is also home to a number of interesting features, including the Sea of Tranquility, where the Apollo 11 mission landed in 1969, and the Moon's South Pole Aitken Basin, which is the largest and oldest known impact crater in the solar system. The Moon's phases, which include the full Moon and new Moon, are caused by the changing position of the Moon as it orbits around the Earth. The Moon's phases are important for a number of cultural and religious practices around the world. The Moon also has a number of unique features that make it an interesting place for scientific study. For example, the Moon has a very thin crust that is relatively easy to study, and it has a low gravitational field, which makes it an ideal place to study the effects of gravity on the human body. The Moon's lack of an atmosphere also makes it an ideal location for studying the effects of cosmic radiation on the Earth. In addition to these scientific studies, the Moon has also played a role in human exploration and development. The first manned mission to the Moon, Apollo 11, was launched on July 16, 1969, and the first humans, Neil Armstrong and Edwin Buzz Aldrin, landed on the Moon on July 20, 1969. Since then, there have been a total of 6 manned missions to the Moon, with the last one, Apollo 17, occurring in 1972. In more recent years, there has been renewed interest in exploring and studying the Moon, with several space agencies and private companies planning manned and unmanned missions to the Moon in the near future. Overall, the Moon is an interesting and important celestial body that continues to be a source of fascination and scientific study.